The inclement weather also prompted Malacanang to suspend work in government offices in Metro Manila effective 3 o'clock this afternoon. Agencies with vital public services continue their operations. Meanwhile, Malacanang assured that government has made good progress in the implementation of projects to mitigate the impact of floods in the metropolis. Rock Ignacio filed this report.
Malacanang has suspended work in all government offices in the National Capital Region due to heavy rains brought by southwest monsoon enhanced by Typhoon Falcon. Upon the recommendation of the NDRRMC, effective at 3 in the afternoon, all government employees are allowed to leave early, not on their way home due to flooding, while those agencies whose functions involve the delivery of basic and health services, disaster preparedness, and other vital public services should continue with their operations. Presidential Communications Secretary Sunny Coloma, however, assured that the Aquino administration continue implementing mega flood control projects under the DPWH to address problems of flooding in Metro Manila and nearby provinces. 11 projects are expected to be completed before President Aquino's term ends in 2016.
Patuloy na pinapatupad ng Department of Public Works and Highways yung iba't ibang flood control projects. Kasama na rin dyan yung drainage improvement, kasama na yung pagtutok ng DA sa sitwasyon ng mga estero at mga kanal sa ating Kalakang, Maynila. Nariyan din yung mga long-term projects na aabot pa nga hanggang 2035 dahil malawakang infrastruktura ang itinatayo. No?
There were suspension of classes and government work due to flooding brought by southwest monsoon in Metro Manila.
Mapapansin din natin na bagamat tuloy-tuloy yung pag-uulan at nagkaroon ng pagbaha, hindi pa naman tayo nakararanas sa kasalukuyan noong nakabinbin yung tubig baha, no? At nanatili ito sa mataas na pagbaha. Nakikita naman natin na humuhupa ito at wala namang nararanasang malubhang pagbaha sa maraming bahagi ng ating Kamaynilaan, bagamat tuloy-tuloy yung buhos ng ulan dahil nga sa monsoon rains.
Meanwhile, the palace officials said that local leaders are effective with the early announcement of class suspensions during inclement weather.
Kaya maaga pa, kahit na 1 day in advance, sila na ang nauunang nagdedeklara nito sa iba't ibang lungsod at bayan at maging lalawigan. Nakita naman natin yung pagbabago. Katuwang nito yung pagiging maagap at accurate forecast ng ating pag-asa, kasama na rin yung Project NOAA.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.